When I met you 15 years ago, it made an impact I never thought would change my life forever. You made spending a lifetime so easy. That for the past 15 years, it has been a smooth sailing relationship, which I realized throughout those years, all I need is you.
Ikaw at ako pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay.
Francis Jude, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Lyrie na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Lyrie, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Francis de Jude na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin, sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay nating gawin kahapon.
Francis Jude, kaya ibinibigay sa iyo si Lyrie dahil ikay minamahal ng Diyos. Also, Francis, ibinigay sa iyo si Lyrie, sign of His love sa iyo ng Panginoon.
I appreciate everything about you, including your kaligaligan, flaws, and imperfections. Thank you, baby, for being not just a partner, but also a very, very responsible.
Sa isa't isa, tayo ay sumasandal. Kung minsan ay di ko
Nay, tay, kakasal na. Ang bebe nyo. Hindi nyo naabutan. Thank you po sa lahat.
At kung
Sobrang miss na po namin kayo.
kay saktan, puso mo ba'y handang magpatawad?
Ninang, Papa, thank you po sa lahat ng suporta. Kung hindi po dahil sa mga gabay at pangaral niyo sa akin ay wala po ako sa posisyon ko ngayon. Nagpapasalamat din po ako kay Mama na kahit hindi po kayo nakapunta dito, nakasipot, andyan pa rin po kayo. Yung moral support na binibigay niyo sa akin, hindi niyo po ako pinabayaan. Maraming salamat po.
Kung mawala ka, buhay ko'y may kahulugan. Tuwing ako'y iyong
nagdasal,
umabot man
nanalangin na magkaroon ng katuwang sa buhay. At ang sagot, ang tugon ng Diyos sa inyong panalangin ay ang isa't isa, tanda ng pag-ibig at pagmamahal.
ngayon at kailanman.
Thank you for doing your best effort to show your love to me and to my family. And today, I promise to love you unconditionally. I promise to be with you through ups and downs, just like the old days. But of course, I can promise you a life without challenges. A kitchen filled with love. Mukhang natututo ako magluto ngayon. And a home in my heart. And as we more closer to our next chapter, I choose to love you not just for who you are today, but for all you will become. May we become even stronger and let God be the center of us.
You really want me to. I can't remember the time or the volleyball court with your tatted jeans.
Thank you for choosing to spend your lifetime with me. I've been the happiest groom today, I guess. You've been the reason why I could love this way. You've been the reason why I am complete and content in life. And you've been the reason why I don't have to worry. Despite our differences, we managed to hold on and adjust for each other. But baby, I want you to know that I appreciate everything about you. I'm thankful to God for you because you're the one He allowed me to grow with. Thank you for sticking with me and choosing me beyond my flaws and imperfections.
I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love yesterday. I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love.
I promise to comfort you when you're in pain, to give you a good laugh, even though I tried so hard. I promise to honor you, support everything you dream of, and everything you want to reach. Put you first and give my absolute best for the rest of my days. I promise to be yours always and forever. I love you, baby.
Baby, this is it. After a long years, dumating na tayo sa araw na plano lang natin noon. From the time I met you, I had no idea that this day would turn into something beautiful as now. From being high school classmate, turn to kaibigan. This has been God's plan to us.
Komplikado, nag-uulila na sa'yo bago pa makilala. Pag-ibig nga siya talaga, pag-ibig nga. Human ng mundo, di ka mag-iisa. Nanatili at hindi babago. Habang buhay magkasama tayong tatanda.
Finally, officially, and legally, Mr. and Mrs. Cardano!
You are my partner in crime, my best friend, my sandalan always, may tagakamot ng likod always, and my love of my life. I love you, baby. I love you, I love you, I love you.